Right, big political development coming in to put things in context. Elections in Punjab are due next year, and days after Raghav Chadha was removed as the speaker for Aam Aadmi Party in the upper house, and Ashok Mittal had ED visiting his lovely professional university-related premises. Now, two-thirds of Rajya Sabha MPs of the Aam Aadmi Party, according to Raghav Chadha, have decided to part ways with the party. Raghav Chadha started by saying, "हम आपसे दूर जा रहे हैं, जनता के बीच में आ रहे हैं," only to then later fill in the blanks and say, "हम आम आदमी पार्टी से दूर जा रहे हैं, भारतीय जनता पार्टी के साथ जा रहे हैं." My colleagues Shivam and Niyamika are joining us right now, as well as Kritika. Kritika, there are reasons that are cited on record by Raghav Chadha and Sandeep Pathak, who we heard speaking right now, for parting ways with Aam Aadmi Party. But do we know anything more about the actual reasons for them parting ways with the Aam Aadmi Party?
Well, Priya, remember the timing currently is in fact going to be playing a crucial role in all of this. Remember Ashok Mittal, in fact, he is the original appointee of the 5 Firozshah Road house as well, the house that is currently being used by Aam Aadmi Party chief Arvind Kejriwal himself. Very recently, he's had raids being conducted on the university premises as well, at the lovely professional university, as well as other assets attached to Mr. Ashok Mittal as well. He was also, in fact, made the deputy leader of the Aam Aadmi Party in Rajya Sabha too. So those were the duties and, in fact, the responsibilities that were being allotted to Ashok Mittal. On the other hand, we also have Sandeep Pathak, who is currently also serving as the National General Secretary of the Aam Aadmi Party, and of course Raghav Chadha as well, who very recently has had a very public clash with the Aam Aadmi Party as well, wherein he stated that the Aam Aadmi Party is unfairly targeting him, even when he's raising issues of the public. So now to have Sandeep Pathak as well as Ashok Mittal also stepping, we will be hearing very soon from the Aam Aadmi Party on how they're interpreting these changes. Of course, as far as Raghav Chadha is concerned, they had already stated that Raghav Chadha had been very, in fact, not in conversation and not in direct engagement with the Aam Aadmi Party leadership, has not been participative of the, in fact, opposition motions that were raised. But Sandeep Pathak, remember, he has been quite open in its support for the Aam Aadmi Party, even as far as the very recent posts on his platform.
Three is the people that we see right now who have come on camera and said bye-bye Aam Aadmi Party for whatever reasons they have chosen to put in public platform. Niyamika, Raghav Chadha says that two-thirds of Rajya Sabha MPs are in fact, and even more are those who have signed the document that they have. Two-thirds is important because of legal issues. Put in context for our viewers, the other names were also taken by Raghav Chadha in that press conference. What issues have they been facing? Why are those names on this list?
Well, Priya, we have seen that even during the time when the parliament session was going on, it was being quite clear that everything is not well within the Aam Aadmi Party, and that was the only reason why we have seen that how the post of the deputy leader has also been given to Mr. Ashok Mittal instead of Raghav Chadha, and soon after that we have seen that how the allegations were also being levelled against the Aam Aadmi Party by Mr. Raghav Chadha, and he had also given a message at that point in time as well. It was basically an indication in which he was trying to say that there is a continuous rift which can be clearly seen within the Aam Aadmi Party, and now it has been proven that it is a big jolt which is being faced by the Aam Aadmi Party today, as there are not just the 3 MPs which were being present in this particular press conference, including Raghav Chadha, Sandeep Pathak as well as Ashok Mittal, but there are actually the two-third MPs of the Aam Aadmi Party in Rajya Sabha who have basically signed this particular document, which they have already submitted in Rajya Sabha, as they are basically given this this point of view that they were trying to work for the people of this country, but the reason because of which they had joined the Aam Aadmi Party, that reason is no more, as now Aam Aadmi Party itself has been involved in corruption, and that is the only reason why this kind of a call has been taken by all of these MPs. The other MPs who have also signed on this document, in includes the name of Swati Maliwal as well as Harbhajan Singh. So it will be really interesting to see, because this is a very crucial time. Just next year is the assembly elections in the state of Punjab, where we have seen that how the Aam Aadmi Party is trying to strengthen itself at the grassroots level. But this kind of a jolt which is being seen now in the national capital, how they are going to tackle it, as now the official reaction is also being going to be given by
learning that at around 4 p.m. is when we are expecting a press conference coming in from Saurabh Bharadwaj of the Aam Aadmi Party. But Shivam, the last deputy leader of Aam Aadmi Party in Rajya Sabha, gone. The man who replaced him in Rajya Sabha, Ashok Mittal, gone. Sandeep Pathak, one of the people who, a couple of years ago was actually looking to put together another front of the opposition. He tried to convene a meeting of non-BJP, non-Congress leaders as well. Also gone, with at least 4 other leaders that they claim. But it is what they are going to, that is in all likelihood going to be the focus of conversation from here on. They have decided to join the BJP. What are we hearing from the BJP on this? Because Aam Aadmi Party's reaction, we'll wait and get an official one at 4 p.m.
Still, we have seen that this entire, fallout came into the media when it comes to the trouble between Raghav Chadha and Aam Aadmi Party. There was, again, through the sources of the got to understand the BJP is that, yes, Raghav Chadha was having a lot of issues with the Aam Aadmi Party, and also, as Kritika rightly mentioned, all the motions being, moved forward by the Aam Aadmi Party were not being supported by Raghav Chadha. Aam Aadmi Party sources said that he was never into with the meetings with the party and were doing the anti-party activity. Remember now, in 2024 November, Kailash Gehlot was another minister who switched to BJP after resigning just ahead of the election. And this time it is elections next year in Punjab, and we are seeing these big faces.
We'll also try and get
BJP.
political analysts to help us decode how significant this shift is going to be for the BJP in elections. But right now, joining on the broadcast is Ashwini Upadhyay, somebody who himself used to be a part of the Aam Aadmi Party outfit and who had quit for his own reasons. Sir, how do you see this recent shake-up in the Aam Aadmi Party ranks?
देखिए, आम आदमी पार्टी हम लोगों ने बड़े सोच विचार के साथ बनाया था। ये सोचा था कि आम आदमी पार्टी भारत की जो आशाएं हैं उस पर पूरा उतरेगी। आम आदमी करप्शन नहीं करेगी, आम आदमी कास्टिज्म नहीं करेगी, आम आदमी पार्टी माओवादियों और नक्सलियों के साथ कोई कनेक्शन नहीं रखेगी, आम आदमी पार्टी जो है अलगाववादियों से कोई कनेक्शन नहीं रखेगी। और देखते देखते वो सारा जो जिस लिए आम आदमी पार्टी बनी थी ठीक उसका उल्टा होने लग गया। खालिस्तानियों से नेक्सस, करप्ट लोगों से नेक्सस, खुद ही करप्ट में, कभी शराब घोटाला तो कभी ये घोटाला, कभी वो घोटाला, कभी हवाला से पैसा। तो जो कुछ हुआ है वो स्वाभाविक सी बात है, उसमें बहुत सारे लोग नाराज हैं। और नाराजगी का एक बड़ा कारण ये भी है कि आम आदमी पार्टी में कोई डेमोक्रेटिक सिस्टम नहीं रह गया। एक व्यक्ति है, वो जो उसको पसंद है वही पार्टी का निर्णय है। और यही कारण था कि पहले मैंने छोड़ा, फिर मेरे बाद जो है साजिया आलमी ने छोड़ा, फिर कुमार बिस्वास जी ने छोड़ा, प्रशांत भूषण ने छोड़ा, किरण बेदी जी ने छोड़ा, सुनीता गोदारा ने छोड़ा। एक एक करके बहुत सारे लोग, मतलब जितने फाउंडर्स थे 100, मुझे लगता है वो 100 में से 10 फाउंडर भी नहीं बचे हैं। 90 लगभग फाउंडर मेंबर्स निकल चुके हैं अब तो आम आदमी पार्टी के। तो ये केवल इसलिए हुआ है कि पूरी तरीके से पार्टी में एक डेमोक्रेसी खत्म हो गई है, पूरी एक मोनोपोली है। एक व्यक्ति जो कहता है वही पार्टी है। तो जब व्यक्ति पार्टी हो जाए, पार्टी ही व्यक्ति हो जाए, तो फिर ये समस्या आती है।
पर आप इसकी टाइमिंग को किस तरह देखते हैं? अभी बहुत सारे लोग ये कहेंगे कि भाई आइडियोलॉजिकल क्वेश्चंस तो ठीक हैं, प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में लोग उठाते ही हैं पार्टी छोड़ते वक्त, बट अगले साल इलेक्शन है, ये लोग अपनी इंडिपेंडेंट आउटफिट भी बना सकते थे। ये लोग बीजेपी में जाने का जो डिसीजन लिया है इन्होंने, हाउ डू यू इंटरप्रेट दैट?
देखिए, जब आदमी पार्टी छोड़ता है तो उसके पास दो तरीका है। एक तरीका तो हमारे जैसे लोग कि हम ठीक है, अपने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में हमने पीआईएल फाइल करना शुरू किया, हमने अपने आप को उसी में बिजी कर लिया, देश भर घूमना शुरू किया। बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे भी हैं, अपनी पार्टी बनाते हैं। और फिर तीसरा तरीका होता है कि आप किसी पार्टी में स्विच कर जाइए। मुझे लगता है पंजाब की जो सिचुएशन है उसमें पंजाब में एक नई पार्टी की जरूरत नहीं, बल्कि पंजाब को नशे से बाहर निकालने की जरूरत है। पंजाब में जो बाकी चीजें हो रही हैं उनको ठीक करने की जरूरत है। अब उसको देखते हुए अगर राघव चड्ढा जी या बाकी लोगों को लग रहा होगा कि नहीं, अलग पार्टी बना के नहीं, बल्कि हमें एक बनाया जो वहाँ सेटअप है उसमें जाना चाहिए, तो स्वाभाविक सी बात है पंजाब में कांग्रेस और अकाली के बाद जो सबसे अच्छा सेटअप है वहाँ पे बीजेपी का सेटअप है। तो शायद उन लोगों ने यही सोचा होगा कि एक नया सेटअप बनाने के बजाय क्यों एक बने बनाए सेटअप में हम शामिल हो जाए।
A lot of political speculation is now going to do the rounds, especially when Saurabh Bharadwaj starts to speak at 4 p.m. We will see what Aam Aadmi Party has to officially say, but first reaction has already come in from the BJP. In fact, it is Amit Malviya who has put out a social media post where he says 2/3 of Aam Aadmi Party's Rajya Sabha MPs have walked out. 7 MPs are now leaving the party. The Aam Aadmi Party is in complete disarray. Raghav Chadha, Sandeep Pathak, Ashok Mittal have addressed a press conference announcing a split and their move towards the Bharatiya Janata Party. The exodus doesn't stop here. Harbhajan Singh, Rajendra Gupta, Swati Maliwal and Vikramjit Sahni also desert AAP. The collapse is no longer a speculation. It is unfolding in real time. Now, what next for these people? It remains to be seen. Niyamika, if they are joining the BJP, do we have any more details of how that process is going to fold out? Are they going to meet Nitin Nabeen anytime soon?
This is the information which we are getting from the sources. It might be possible that they are going to be there at the BJP headquarters to have a meeting with the BJP president, Mr. Nitin Nabeen. As for that reason, now an official announcement has already been done by the 3 of the Rajya Sabha MPs who have basically stated that they are parting ways from the Aam Aadmi Party and now they are going to merge with the BJP, as already a letter has been submitted in Rajya Sabha by these MPs. As now it will be really interesting to be seen that how the Aam Aadmi Party is going to react upon it, because there is going to be a press conference at 4 o'clock in which even Mr. Sanjay Singh is also going to be present. So it will be seen that whether any kind of legal action is also going to be taken, what all sort of steps will be taken by the Aam Aadmi Party, because this is a very big jolt which they have faced today, as not just these 3 MPs but as many as 7 MPs have made this declaration that they are going to be merged with the BJP. So in Rajya Sabha, if we talk about in particular, then there are as many as 10 MPs of the Aam Aadmi Party, out of which now 7 is the information which we are getting from the sources, that 7 of these Rajya Sabha MPs are merging with the BJP. So how it is going to pan out in future, because already we have seen that there is a lot of problems, a lot of rift which can clearly be seen within the Aam Aadmi Party. Even if we talk about these 3 MPs in particular, and specifically if we talk about Raghav Chadha, then during the time when actually there are several allegations, including the liquor scam, when all of these matters were being going on at that point in time, also it was Raghav Chadha only who didn't follow the party line. He was maintain a distance from making any kind of statements, whether it is about Arvind Kejriwal or the other senior leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party. And soon after that, even in the parliament, we have seen that the position of the deputy leader was being taken away from Raghav Chadha. It was being given to Mr. Ashok Mittal. So clearly there were indications in the past as well that everything is not well within the Aam Aadmi Party, and now there is a big decision, a big political development which has taken place in the national capital, where 2/3 of the Rajya Sabha MPs have merged their membership with the BJP. So let us see that how the Aam Aadmi Party is going to react over this entire matter.
Big development coming in. For a quick recap, here is what happened in the course of last 30 minutes. Nobody knew about it till we actually got the information that there is going to be a press conference at Constitution Club that will be addressed by Raghav Chadha. What would be the agenda? Nobody had an idea. And then came those 3 people, Ashok Mittal, Raghav Chadha and Sandeep Pathak, who you can see on your screens. Raghav Chadha took the mic first and says, we are leaving Aam Aadmi Party. We are going closer to the people, implying that Aam Aadmi Party's People Connect doesn't exist anymore, that it has gone down the corruption path. And then he announced that it's not just 3 of us. There are more MPs of the Rajya Sabha of the Aam Aadmi Party who are also going to quit the party and join the BJP. The letter that has been signed by 2/3 of MPs, according to Raghav Chadha, has already been submitted to the Rajya Sabha chairperson. Listen in to what he said at that press conference.
आज हम एक ऐसे मोड़ पर खड़े हैं कि हमारे पास सिर्फ 2 ही ऑप्शंस थे, 2 विकल्प थे। या तो हम राजनीति छोड़ दें और पिछले 15-16 साल जो हमने सार्वजनिक जीवन में काम किया उसे त्याग दें, या फिर हम अपने अनुभव को, अपनी स्किल्स को, अपनी पूरी ऊर्जा और एनर्जी को लेकर पॉजिटिव पॉलिटिक्स करें इसीलिए हमने ये डिसाइड किया दैट वी द 2/3 members of parliament of the belonging to the Aam Aadmi Party in Rajya Sabha exercise the provisions of the Constitution of India and merge ourselves with the BJP. हम बीजेपी में विलय करते हैं.
So you just heard from Raghav Chadha, who was removed from the post of deputy leader of Rajya Sabha by Aam Aadmi Party a couple of days ago, and today we have got the biggest political twist as far as Aam Aadmi Party is concerned, because he, along with other Aam Aadmi parties, have now decided to say bye to Arvind Kejriwal and his Aam Aadmi Party and are all set to join the Bharatiya Janata Party. Let me go across to my colleague Niyamika, joining us on the broadcast for more on this. She's been tracking the developments very, very closely. Niyamika, this is the biggest political twist that we have seen coming in as far as the Aam Aadmi Party is concerned. Many thought that when our Raghav Chadha was removed from the post of deputy leader of Rajya Sabha, perhaps he is on his way to the Bharatiya Janata Party ahead of Punjab elections. But nobody expected him to take with him more Aam Aadmi Party MPs.
Well, yes, sir, you have rightly stated it was it can be predicted for Raghav Chadha, even for Swati Maliwal as well, because there were continuous kind of a rift which was going on between these leaders and the party. But on the other side, the way in which this entire press conference was being conducted, the biggest shocking part of this press conference was that not just Mr. Raghav Chadha, but also Ashok Mittal and Sandeep Pathak was also being a part of this press conference. Even for that reason, we have seen that how Sandeep Pathak was being closely involved in all the party related matters. In fact, he was considered to be very close to Mr. Arvind Kejriwal as well. But the way in which this kind of a statement has been given by all of these three leaders, all of the way in which they have signed a letter, also submitted it to the Rajya Sabha as well, that they want to merge with the BJP. That raises a lot of questions for the Aam Aadmi Party as well.